Hello guys, welcome back. In order to get up and running with our project, we need a code editor. That's where we are going to write our code. We also need a server which will allow us to connect with MySQL and PHP. So first thing first, we need to download Visual Studio Code. So you can choose to use any code editor of your choice. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code in this project. So just type VS Code and click on the first link, this one. Then click on download for Windows. I already have Visual Studio Code installed, so if you don't have, I'll suggest you download it. It's very easy. The installation is very easy, so I will suggest you download it and follow along. The next thing we need to do is to download XAMPP. XAMPP allow us to use PHP MySQL. Do you get me? So we need to download XAMPP. Just type XAMPP download. Click on the first link, download XAMPP. That's Apache Friends. So I'll advise you to choose the latest version, which is currently is 8.2. So just click on this one. It will detect we have one for Linux, one for OS, and the other one for browser. I don't know this one. What is this about? But this is what we have. Do you get me? So based on the operating system that you are using, you can choose any of them. Then read the terms and conditions and accept the necessary arguments. Okay. See me in the next video.